Most people will be shocked to learn that their recycling bin material usually ends up in landfill. That's because of contamination, which can be too difficult and expensive to sort once collected. So what BinSense does is place a solar power sensor on the bin that can actually smell contaminants within the bin. So this can let residents know if their recycling is clean or not, and tell the truck driver which bins have uncontaminated recycling as they drive down the street. And councils now have a platform that tells them how much recycling is clean and can be picked up and be recycled. Finally, using BinSense patent-protected technology, there is a solution to this problem at source. We can't keep adding to our landfill. With BinSense, there is a way to ensure our recycling materials are actually recycled, which is what we all want, what councils want, and what the planet needs. Anyone interested in knowing more about this new technology, do please contact us at binsense.com.au.